Today we have a Takeuchi TB260 seat belt. Strap broke. There's our seat belt. This part is fabric, and on another side of the latch is a metal cable, and it's broken. Look at that. That's our problem. Yeah, let's see what we can do and get it fixed. Okay, here's another end attached to the base of the operator seat over here. All right, let's pop this cap off, probably this bolt there, and take it apart. Mini flat screwdriver. Let's pop this cover off. There we go. There's our bolt, 17 mil shallow socket, and our mighty rigid super compact impact. Boom, nice and easy. Here I go. Yeah, let's take this electrical tape in. As you can see, it's not long, it's pretty short, and I think we can figure out something to fix this issue, or just try to call the dealer and see if this cable with a strap is still available and how long it will take to get. Could be a month. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, let's try to pop this upper plastic cover and yeah, see what's inside. Not too bad. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it was glued around. Yeah, I can see some glue residue. Yeah, if we needed to put it back, we can glue it the same way. Beautiful. Didn't break anything. Nice. Yeah. Glue was all the way around. I'll carefully remove it, and here's our rivets. Let's pull this one out. Aha. We got it. Looks like new still, with wear and tear on it, but still reusable. Because it's hard to find a replacement part, I what if we just replace the cable and good to go. And this video is just only demonstration. New seatbelt arrived. It's pretty cold today, minus 10 degrees Celsius. And I have universal generic forklift seat belt as a replacement part. Look at that, beautiful. You know how much? 70 bucks. 70 bucks instead of paying $285 plus tax for Takeuchi OEM one, which is not available. You have to order and wait for a couple weeks. And yeah, beautiful. This is our repair, and if you're interested in part number is here. Yeah, this is what I'm using for the forklift seat belt, and brand new, all certified and good to go. Let's go and install it, and yeah, call it fixed. We only had a metal wire cable broke, but on the fabric side was a retractor, no issues whatsoever. I'll show you what I'm going to do. Oh, look at this retractor, which came with a seat belt, and this is a Takeuchi OEM one, and check it out. There we go. It is the same. Yeah, same slot. Yeah, that's it. We only are going to install the strap part, and yeah, that will be our fix. Here's our eye, and yeah, I'm going to use a Takeuchi bolt because bolts we have with the strap are slightly different. Yeah, Takeuchi original seatbelt strap mounting bolt fits in a hole like a charm. Check it out. Beautiful. Yeah, easy, good money saver. Yeah, if this video is helpful, put a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, very appreciated that, and see you next time. Bye bye.